and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Berrien Springs around 12:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Union Pier, Grand Beach, Glendora, Sodas, New Troy, Harbor, Bertrand, Sawyer, Turner. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgman, or 11 miles southwest of Fair Plain, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Berrien Springs around 12:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Union Pier, Grand Beach, Glendora, Sodas, New Troy, Harbor, Bertrand, Sawyer, Turner Shores, and Dayton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berrien, Michigan,